Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be featuring tips for the removal and replacement of the intake air temperature sensor on this 2023 Chrysler Pacifica Hybrid. If you find my tips to be helpful, please like, subscribe, and comment. Now let's get started. The sensor is located in the middle of the screen at the end of my pointer. Some of the symptoms associated with a faulty sensor include hard start, reduced engine power, increased fuel consumption, a check engine light, and diagnostic trouble codes P0112 and P0113. Now let's take a look at our supplies. Our supply list includes a set of pliers and an intake air temperature sensor. See other items in the description below. So you might ask, what is the purpose of this sensor? Well, it measures the air temperature entering the engine and reports that value to the computer. In the summertime, when the air is thin, the engine will add more air to the fuel mixture. In the winter time, when the air is more dense, the engine will add less air to the fuel mixture. Removal of the sensor is really straightforward. Electronic connection clip right here. On the back, you just want to press it in and pull it out. There you go. Now this one is a little tricky. It looks as though you would remove this entire rubber grommet, but you don't. And so be careful of that. What you want to do is take a pair of pliers and put them on the large setting. So you have the small setting and then the large setting. And then you're going to go right up on top of the connector. Push it all the way in as far as it'll go. Squeeze gently, don't put a lot of pressure. And you'll feel it, the locking mechanism, it'll just unlock ever so slightly. Rotate counterclockwise, probably about 15 degrees. And then you're just gonna pull it straight out carefully, just like that. And there you have it. So looking at this sensor, one thing I wanna note is that it's extremely clean, okay? There's no dust, no dirt. The electrodes are clearly visible. Rubber O-ring is pliable, it's soft. So, and that's exactly what you want. You wouldn't want this to be hard or brittle or even cracked, so that's something you want to inspect. Take a look at the grommet. Make sure the grommet is clean. And so I'm just gonna give you a quick troubleshooting tip right now. Say you were getting a check engine light for this particular item. The first thing you would do is check the condition of your air filter. Because if your air filter is dirty, it will likely throw the code associated with a faulty sensor. So do that first, check and clean or replace your air filter. So say hypothetically you pulled out the sensor, it was covered with oil, okay? And more likely it's gonna have a little dirt on there too. What that is telling you is this whole intake hose system and filter box is also covered with oil and dirt. So you should clean out the hose and the filter box and the filter prior to reinstalling this sensor, okay? And so how would you clean the sensor? What you would do is apply a small amount of mass airflow sensor spray. Do not brush or come in contact with any of the electrodes here. They're very sensitive. Apply some spray, probably 2 or 3 seconds of spray on here is all you need. Let it dry for about 10 minutes and then you can reinstall it. So let's go ahead and reinstall the sensor at this time and wrap this video up. So as you can see, there's a little tab on here, right? What I'm gonna do is stick it in. And so the tab is probably about the 12:30 to 1 o'clock position right now. So I pressed it in and then I'm going to turn it by hand. And if you can lock it by hand, you're fine. You wouldn't need the pliers to lock it. So pull on it a little bit, make sure it's installed completely. Pick up my electrical connector, make sure the gasket is not deformed. Slide it into position. Listen for the click. There you have it. Give a tug on it. And you're all done. Well, folks, that wraps up the removal and replacement of the intake air temperature sensor on this 2023 Pacifica Hybrid. I hope you found my tips to be helpful. Please like and subscribe, and until next time, drive defensively.